Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking on a new project, and that is this our entryway. Now this entryway is a little bit bland right now, and also there's the challenge of when people come in, they're always stumbling around trying to find their feet and hold on the walls just so they can get their shoes on. And this is the very first point of entry to the house. So we're going to be doing a little bit of personalization to this thing. We're going to add a little bit of a slat wall to this wall, add some mirrors, add some seating and benching, add a little bit of paneling as well. And of course, I have to do my own part, which is the smart tech side. All of the DIY and the decoration and stuff is all Dara's stuff. My side, I'm going to be replacing my smart door lock. I'm going to be adding a new doorbell as well. We're going to add some lighting as well to the space and kind of make it a combination of smart and beauty. Alright, let's dive right into this. For the panel wall, I'm going to be using this old baseboard trims that I had bought when I was doing my basement development. Now this is the leftovers, so we decided why not just use this instead of going to go spend money buying more panels. I mean, the whole idea of DIY anyways is to kind of, personalize stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be perfect for you. For starters, we're going to have to kind of just sand down this a little bit with about a 4000 grit sandpaper, just to make sure that the paint can kind of stick to the surface, right? We actually got the smallest size of paint, and I think it's important to kind of measure and know what the square footage is, because last time we bought paint, we bought the bigger can. That ended up being too much, so we decided to go smaller. But it looks like the square footage on this guy is about 60 to 100 square foot. But this is a 9 by 7, so I'll say approximately 70 square foot times 2, 140. And then on this side as well, so we're going to be needing 280 square foot. I guess we'll find out and see how far it goes. So we're done with painting it, but just like I thought. I knew the paint just wasn't going to be enough, but I mean, what's a DIY project if you don't run to the store at least 2 times during the project? So we're gonna have to go down to Home Depot to get another can of paint. I think it came out pretty good so far. I like the way it looks. It looks starting to come together. I mean, the original plan was to kind of put the wood on the wall, but I realized that it was probably easier to first paint, then put the panels on it, and then paint again on top of it. So effectively sort of 3 coats, but this guy will still get 2 coats. Next is the aesthetics and the decor, and my wife Dara is the creative force behind this piece. She started by installing a sleek entryway table with black legs, which she got from Amazon, on the wall opposite the new slat wall. This table serves as a stylish and functional piece, perfect for placing keys, mails, or even decorative items. We love how it immediately elevates the space. Above the table, Dara hung an abstract painting she found at Marshall's. The painting, with its striking combination of gold and black, adds a touch of sophistication and ties it beautifully with the overall color scheme of our entryway. On the table, she arranged some stylish decor pieces, 3 older books that not only look great but also provides hidden storage, and a black metal figure with a marble base. It is a charming and whimsical addition that brings a touch of personality to the space. On the slat wall side, Dara installed an irregular shaped mirror. To enhance its look, we added an LED strip behind it, creating a floating effect that adds a depth and modern flair to the entryway. Since there are no electrical outlets nearby, We opted for a battery-powered LED strip. I might come up with a better solution later, so feel free to leave your suggestions down in the comment section. In front of the slat wall, Dara placed two round olive green ottoman with built-in storage. This not only provides a convenient spot to sit and put on shoes, but also offers a hidden storage for items like scarves, gloves, or even small bags. To complete the sitting area, she added a side table with a sleek black base and a black artificial feather-like plant. This minimalist yet elegant arrangement enhances the space without overwhelming it, maintaining a clean and organized look. Now let's move on to the smart technology installation. I started out by replacing the existing 3-way switch with a streetlight smart switch. These switches are fantastic because they blend seamlessly with the regular switches and only require replacing one side of the 3-way or 4-way switch setup. With these switches, we can control our entryway lights remotely with our phones or voice assistants. They also allow us to set schedules and automations. For instance, having the lights turn on automatically at sunset or when someone arrives at home. To complement this, I chose screwless Decor faceplate in snow white for a clean and modern look. Next, I upgraded the entryway light fixture with the Aqara T1M ceiling light. This fixture is impressive with its dual functionality, a ring light and a main light, both color changeable. We use this ring light for alert automations. For example, if any door opens, it stays red until the door gets shut. And if it's garbage day, it changes to a specific color, helping us stay on top of important household tasks effortlessly. The main light paired with the Aqara P2 motion sensor provides a dynamic lighting that turns on upon detecting motion, ensuring a well-lit entryway when we need it. For added security, I've installed an Aqara contact sensor on the entryway door. This sensor alerts us to any activity and is part of our comprehensive security system, monitoring all doors and windows when security mode is enabled. It can also trigger automations such as turning on lights when the door is opened after sunset, or sending notifications if the door is left open for too long, enhancing both security and convenience. We also upgraded our entryway with the Aqara doorbell and door lock. Now, while I love the functionality of the Aqara door locks, I do miss the black finish of our previous level lock, which matched much better to our door handle. Despite the color mismatch, the Aqara lock is an incredibly versatile and offers multiple unlocking methods such as fingerprints, watches, phones, key code, and even traditional key. This flexibility ensures that we can always get inside even if we forget our keys or phones. The Aqara video doorbell allows us to see who's at the front door and control these locks remotely, whether we are at home or away. It's a great way for accepting packages securely or letting in guests while we are still on our way home. All of these devices are integrated with my Apple HomeKit, providing notifications on my phone, watch, TV, and laptop, so I never miss important alerts, ensuring peace of mind. And that wraps up our entryway transformation. By blending smart technology with stylish decor, we've created a functional and beautiful space. I hope you enjoy seeing how each element comes together to enhance our home. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description if you have interest in any of the items we've used. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tech upgrades. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.